Hello guys, in this quick and easy tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can return items on Trendyol. Trendyol. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, let's do this on laptop first, and then I will show you how you can do that inside the application or inside the phone. Now on your laptop you just need to click here on my account and then click on my orders, and then you will be able to find the items you have purchased, and then you want to click on the item, and after that you just need to click on three little dots and then click on easy return. Now in case they don't allow you to do that, you just need to scroll down and then you want to click on live help and assistant. Now let the assistant literally like take care of the return. Okay, just click that and then click here, and it will give you guys what is your question, just what is your problem. Say, how can I return my order? Click on that and it will give you guys all the steps that you need. Okay, make sure that you select the correct reason. For example, if you select like it doesn't fit, you will have to pay for the shipping label. So if you select, for example, not as described, because it's not as described, you will pay for that, and you will give you guys the return label, and then you just need to put all the items in the package and then send it to them, and then they will give you full refund. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Like I said, just like search here for how can I return my order. They will give you all the steps. Say no, I need help, and then let the agent or someone working with them here to take care of you and show you exactly what you need to do. You are going to talk to a real person, by the way. Okay, by the way, they are working from like Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so just keep that in mind here, as you can see. So yeah, that's all you need to do. On the phone you just need to do the same thing. Just go to my account and then click on orders here, my orders, and then you will be able to see all the orders you have. Click on one of the order that you want to return, and then you will be able to see three little dots. Click on that and then click on the return or easy return, and then it will give you guys the steps to return the items to them. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me guys exactly your question, and I will tell you guys what to do. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. Drop a like on this tutorial. We are trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial. See you guys next time.